My name is Alexander Wemme. I'm Vice President Energy Conversion and Storage, and we are here at the hy-fcell in Stuttgart.
My name is Thomas Frey. My current position is Industrial Manager for New Energy.
I'm Jochen Kober. I'm an industry manager. I'm responsible for all topics regarding hydrogen.
My name is Susan Puppe. I work as a sales and business development manager for the hydrogen and fuel cell application.
We are exhibiting together with the German Fuel Cell Corporation, and Vonner then is presenting its latest coating technologies for electrolyzer and fuel cell applications.
While technology is offering machinery for laser welding of bipolar plates, which are then taken over by the company Zeltwanger for leak testing.
This is one sample of a sliding station where you manually load, for example, a bipolar plate in the station to measure whether it's leak tight or not.
Vonner then is responsible for the production step of the PVD coating to give a bipolar plate, which is stainless steel, more corrosion resistance and the conductivity it needs to have the right performance in a fuel cell stack in the end.
You still see that there is a certain time or a gap that we need to fill until the market really picks up. We see that you need to be prepared and that you need to have the right technologies and the right solutions already now.
The nice thing of the show is it's really compact. Around the topic of fuel cells, you have all the players, and this is really attracting customers because they get all their needs from one place.
Today we have a lot of good contacts and we hope to make some contracts.
You have the chance to hold speeches, you can promote the company, the German Fuel Cell Corporation, but we still have a lot of discussions, honestly. It's worth coming here.